Daisy here again with another layout for SPIEGELMOM scraps and off the board with pineapple papers. The layout you just saw is from iHeartPenguins.blogspot.com, I believe, and I really loved the stars cascading down and was really inspired by them. So first I decided I had figured out my layout a little bit, and I thought I need some mixed media in the background. So I left this in, however, it does not turn out at all the way I want, so it quickly goes away. I thought I would use like some black or some gray or something, and it just was not working for me at all. So I'm going to try a couple of different times though. I thought first the black was just not too black enough. It was a shimmer spray and it looked too blue. And then I thought I'd use black acrylic paint, and this turns out not at all how I was picturing in my head. I think I added too much water to this, so it just didn't, yeah, no. I'm going to try again though. And I'm gessoing the paper because I didn't want it to warp, even though, yeah, no, it's not going to work out. So then I thought, oh, I'll use a little bit less, and nope, it still doesn't work. But I don't know that, and I'm still going to give it a whirl. So I do all this work and I set it off to the side to dry, and actually I probably could have cut this part out, just cleaning up after myself. But once it's dry, I really don't like the way it looks. So I'm going to work on kind of the portions of my layout that I can. Again, still going with this, thinking it needs to be a little wider, and yeah, nope, it doesn't. You're not going to use this. Daisy, this is your future self telling you you're not going to use this. But anyhow, so I have this paper here, and it is from Bella Boulevard from the Alexandra, something like that collection. And then I used a piece of its gunmetal mirror paper. I absolutely love it. It's like, I guess, gunmetal, or it looks like a car actually. And it's mirrored, and it's very beautiful and darker, which I really liked. So I decided to have these as my two main elements here. And then I cut out a whole bunch of these stars, and I cannot remember. I believe this is a Paper Issues. No, this is not a Paper Issues. This is from the Cut Shop, and it's from their Oodles of Doodles cut file, I believe, and it's just a star one, and I cut it out in two different sizes and a bunch of different color papers, all matching the stripes in that one Bella Boulevard paper. And I layered them up using some fun foam, and then I also, that strip of the gunmetal mirror paper, I punched some of those stars out and put them in the center of each one of the bigger stars. And then I needed somewhere for my title to rest, and in the original layout she had a tag, so I used a whole bunch of labels from Pretty Little Studio and layered them together and then stapled them, which I didn't really like after I did it, but you know, it's too late at that point. So, and then just sticking everything down with my Nuvo glue that I got from Paper Issues. Love this glue. I was thinking about adding these Converse, but they're not going to work out. The pictures are of my youngest daughter. She was playing in the backyard with one of her friends. They were playing badminton, and her friend was basically cut out of the photo, so I just cropped her out the rest of the way. And then I just love these photos. Like, they're like in motion and they're super playful, so I thought I would scrapbook them. So I am also doing this. So Crystal from Pineapple Papers is doing her 30 days of off the board, and so I decided to try to play along every Saturday. So this is the first one. It's going up on the 4th of July, so happy 4th to all of my American friends. I hope everybody's staying safe. No drinking and fireworks, please. I am a surgery nurse and I've already seen my fair share of that going awry already this year, so please stay safe. But anyhow, happy 4th to everybody. And yeah, so I just decided that I'm going to try to play along on Saturdays. And I'm also combining this with my SPIEGELMOM SCRAPS layout. And it was just a great way to use some sequins up, and it adds the perfect touch. Kind of what I was going for with the mixed media in the background. So I will have links in the description box below to everybody else who's playing along on Saturday with Crystal for the Off the Board series, and then also to the SPIEGELMOM Scraps store. And you can use my code Daisie15 and get 15% off your next purchase from the shop. It works on everything but pre-orders, because with pre-orders you already get 20% off. So head on over, check it out. She just released the July sequins and they are amazing and gorgeous, and you just have to check them out. So here I'm working on my title. I used those sparkly thickers to spell out backyard, and then these black and white ones that I struggle with to spell star. And then I'm using a couple of sequin mixes here because I wanted some specific colors to match the stars that I have. So, oh yeah. And some of these are older ones, I believe. So I'm using Touch of Sun. I can't remember. It's like Minty Grassland or something like that. This one is Ocean. Holy cow, I'm terrible. I'm really sorry. I can't remember. Ocean of Color, and this one is Happy Vibe, I believe. And the last one that's sitting there is Touch of Sun. Touch of Sun was designed by Christy, my bestie, and it's absolutely beautiful and perfect for summer layouts. It's got the yellows and a little bit of green and then teal, and it's just beautiful. And I'm just using, you know, the ones that match my color scheme. And that's what's great about these sequins. You can buy 2 packs of them and that will like basically match every single layout you can possibly come up with. It's totally worth it. And so now I decided I needed some gray splatters, and so I'm going to just add some gray acrylic paint splatters around, and then that's going to be it. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to head on over and check out everybody else playing along with Crystal for the Off the Board series, and then head on over to SPIEGELMOM Scraps and use my code Daisie15 and pick up some sparkly sequins. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye!